Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with the SSA Business Services Online for W-2. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the SSA Business Services Online for W-2, start by visiting the official SSA website. Locate the Business Services Online section on the homepage. Click on the Login button designated for Business Services Online. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create a new user account. Fill in your personal and business information as required. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation link. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the Business Services Online login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Complete any additional security checks, such as CAPTCHA verification. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, select the option to access W-2 services. You may be prompted to enter your employer identification number, EIN. Carefully input your EIN to proceed with W-2 processing. Ensure your business information is accurate before moving forward. Familiarize yourself with the different services available, such as filing W-2 forms. When ready, select the option to file or manage your W-2 submissions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your W-2 filings. Review all forms for accuracy before final submission. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation message. Keep a record of this confirmation for your files. In case of issues, consult the FAQ or help section on the website. If needed, consider contacting SSA customer support for assistance. You are now authenticated and ready to utilize the SSA Business Services Online for your W-2 needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.